Hey everyone, Carlos at BearBootTraders.com, and here's my recap for today. I had two really good trades on CCL and MU, as you can see here. We traded live today. Andrew was off. He's back on, I believe, next week, Wednesday, I believe, or Tuesday. Either way, we had two good trades. Me and Brian were running the chat room today. So let's start with CCL. So CCL was called out by someone in the chat room. Brian looked at it. He liked what he saw. Then I also popped into it and liked what I saw. So here's the way we took it, and we'll go over my trades, and I also go quickly over what Brian did. So right in here, Brian went in for a short around here. He got a nice move and was able to take some out here. I think he scaled out twice on this, and then he was completely out. And then it popped back up. I waited for the pullback. Once it did this pullback close to VWAP, then here I found a good risk to reward. VWAP being my potential stop loss here, and then here being a good entry. So I got in hoping for this to crack this low here. It went below it. I took some out. It started kind of hesitating, losing momentum. It started building this barrier here, so I took some out here. And then I just didn't like the fact that it didn't sell off right away towards this 50, 78 level I had here. So when that happened, I just took everything out. Just didn't trust that it was actually going to sell off anymore. Brian and I were both looking for that move to happen a lot sooner. Again, he also went back in here as well for two trades here, and we took advantage of that move. Then Brian, just want to go over what Brian did here. He also went long here, got stopped out for a very quick tight stop, and then he took advantage again when it started popping up again, went long, and then took advantage of this beautiful trade here. So again, you can make if you play this right, you could have made money both ways, up or down. Then on MU, what I liked about MU is that it had this huge volume at the open, just popped up drastically. Then it kind of held it, did this pullback here. I was looking at getting in here for the pullback, but what I didn't like that this was so extended. If you look at the 5-minute chart, it's just way too extended from VWAP, and I was concerned that if I get in here, it would have came down towards the low of the day or so. But once it settled in, it did this nice little bounce here. It came back, it tested the VWAP again. It didn't crack it. So I got in for a long around here. Once it went up, I took some profits out here because again, this pop didn't happen right away. I was expecting for this candle at least to get over here. It didn't, so I took some out. Finally, the next candle, it did a nice pop here, so I took some out at the high of the day, took some off here, took some more here. Then here, I just didn't like the fact that it started kind of losing momentum. It looked kind of weak. I did not want to get back to my break-even point, so I took everything out here. But if you did survive this pullback, you could have, made a nice entry here. We also had William called out a beautiful entry right here at VWAP. He took it long, had a tight stop right below the candles here. He was able to make out for this move all the way up to this level we had, 32.91. So again, a great day. Hope everyone else had an amazing day. You guys here, here's what our chat room looks like. As you can see, everybody's communicating here. Right now, Brian just went long SVXY, and also up here you can see our Brian's watch list from this morning, and you can see what I was watching this morning. Again, I didn't have CCL on my watch list, but it did turn out nice. Somebody called it out and was able to take advantage of that. All right, guys, hope you had a great day today. I will see you guys tomorrow in the pre-market show. Thank you.